Day 1, Activity 1, Building Audience Awareness Through Blogs. So before we start exploring and building blogs, we will discuss what audience awareness is, why it's important, and why blogs can help build audience awareness in elementary school students. So what exactly is audience awareness? Audience awareness is being able to write with a specific audience in mind. For example, if you're writing a letter to convince a friend to go with you to an amusement park, you're going to have that friend in mind as your audience as you write. It's difficult for kids to be aware of their writing audience, especially when they know that no one, other than their teacher, will be reading their work. So why is audience awareness so important that we're dedicating a day of this week's lessons to it? First of all, it gives students a purpose to write. When students have a purpose for writing, other than to complete an assignment for class, their writing is going to be more coherent and they are more motivated to write because they know what they are writing is not just for a grade. Lastly, when students know that their work is going to be read by a wider audience and have that audience in mind, they're going to make an extra effort to create thoughtful writing with more elaboration. So why are blogs helpful in increasing audience awareness in elementary school students? Lapshey and Woolley found in their 2011 study on blogs and audience awareness that the purpose of writing, especially if they know that someone else is not going to read the text. Sometimes when they are required to write to a friend or a relative, they lack motivation to write because of a lack of an immediate response or feedback. Blogs provide a platform where constant and quick feedback can be given. Also, when students are publishing work on a blog, they're writing to a specific audience, be it their peers, parents, or other members of their classroom and school community. This creates a clear purpose for writing. And, of course, it's highly motivating. Students can enjoy the feedback from their peers and teachers in exploring different tools offered on blogs. Think about how exciting it is when someone replies to one of your Facebook posts, Twitter feeds, or Instagram posts. For more information on blogging and audience awareness, check out Lapshey and Wosley's article that was referenced earlier in this presentation. So now that you know about this powerful tool, how do we use it effectively in the classroom? You're going to spend some time in the next part of this lesson exploring a few different blogs to see how they are set up. Then you're going to create guidelines for using them effectively, and in the end, create your own blog to use in the classroom. However, before we do that, please see the activities related to this presentation to reflect on your learning.